Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna talk about how to make a gift from video. In this case we will be using this software or website called Giphy Be Animated. Let's go ahead on this. And for example, if you want to look for a specific gift, you can search it by clicking this and type the name here. But in my case, I'm gonna use this one, and you can download it if you want. Um, First of all, if you want to if you want to download the gift, you first of all you have to log in into your account or sign up. And after that, well, this is a way you can make a gift or get a gift already created in this website. And that's it, guys. This is the whole video. I hope you like it. Of course, if you have any concerns or something, you can put them on in the comments. And see you next one, guys. Ciao, ciao.